As control panel designs become more complex, space becomes more of a premium. DIN Rail Duct is built to save both space and money. DIN Rail Duct can reduce enclosure size in new projects or gain space in retrofit applications. This extends the life of the control panel. By raising the DIN rail and its components directly onto itself, DIN Rail Duct maximizes space utilization, gaining up to 30% enclosure space. DIN Rail Duct comes with two top-facing channels located on either side of the DIN rail. The DIN rail is installed in a central fastener slot located on top of the duct between these two channels. This allows wiring from the DIN rail mounted components to feed down into the channels on both sides. Two channels located on either side below the covers, allowing wiring connections between neighboring pieces of duct. The duct's lightweight, high-strength construction is rated for up to 4 pounds per foot, so it can easily support the weight of all DIN rail mounted components, such as terminal blocks, circuit breakers, PLCs, and much more. A DIN rail mounted on top of the duct is easier to access than a DIN rail located between regular duct, allowing faster and easier wire termination and labeling. 3 DIN rail mounts can be refitted using just 2 pieces of DIN rail duct, as opposed to 4 pieces of regular duct, saving space and material cost. Built-in covers on either side provide easy cable access. The two sides are connected by pass-throughs for routing cables between the two channels. A cable clip keeps wires in while the cover is open. DIN Rail Duct comes in 3 sizes and is shipped with the necessary fasteners included. It comes in light gray and white and is shipped in individual 6-foot sticks with factory-installed hinged covers for easy wire access. The DIN Rail Wiring Duct is a unique Panduit innovation that optimizes enclosure space usage in control panels. It also works well in combination with other Panduit panel max solutions such as corner duct, noise shield, shielded duct, and hinge duct. For more information about the Panduit line of specialty ducts, visit panduit.com.